Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. If you're returning to my channel, thank you so much. If you're new to the channel, go ahead and hit the subscribe button and hit the notification bell so that you know when I drop a new video. Also, in the comment section below, let me know what your scent of the day is. Let me know your favorite fragrance. If you have a question, ask the question. Or if you want me to review a certain fragrance, put it right in the comment section below. Now, today's fragrance is a female fragrance. Now, gentlemen, don't turn away. Hold on. Just wait till the end because this could be a fragrance for your significant other or for a female family member. So again, just be patient and wait till the end. So today's fragrance is Yves Laurent Libre. And this is a very nice bottle, very nice bottle. Asymmetrical cap, has the gold around here, and it has the initials down here. So it's a pretty funky bottle, I'll say that. But the more importantly, let's see how it smells, right? That's what it's all about, is to see how it smells. Okay. All right, so the opening notes, or what I'm smelling right now, I'm smelling lavender. I'm smelling a woodsy, spicy, citrus, a little fruity smell to it. That's what I'm getting just by doing the opening notes. I mean, just by spraying it and getting the opening notes. And that's what I'm smelling. So if you're into spicy and woody, right here. So let's talk about the notes. So the top notes, you have Mandarin orange, black currant, and lavender. The middle notes, or the heart notes, you have jasmine, lavender, and orange blossom. And then for the base notes, you have vanilla, you have cedar, and you have musk. So again, it all comes together to give you that flavor of spicy and woodsy. So again, if those are your notes, or those are your scents, right here. So I wore this, and the longevity is 8 hours. However, when I woke up the next morning, I still had a little bit of the scent on, but it wasn't strong, but it was very faint. So, but as far as like lasting to where you can smell it, 8 hours. And as far as the projection goes, within 6 feet, you could smell it for the first 2 hours, 3 hours, and then it went down to 4 feet after that. So it's really good as far as, you know, smelling the projection. Now, it is strong. It's a very strong fragrance, and it has a masculine smell to it. So if you're into that, then if you don't mind the strong and the masculinity to this fragrance, then this is a fragrance for you. If you're like me and you like more floral, then you may want to pass. And again, I'm not hyped about this. It doesn't smell bad, but it's not something I would put in my rotation. I would probably wear it maybe to the store, something like that, but it would not go into my rotation. As far as the sillage goes, when you leave the room, you can smell it. I asked somebody when I left the room if you could still smell it, and you can smell it, so it does leave a trail. But they did say it wasn't a scent that, oh wow, they smell really good, or she smells really good. It's kind of like, wow, that was really strong. So if you do wear it, I would only do a pump here, a pump here. You may be able to do the pumps on the wrist, but you know, you may be pushing it because it is strong. So as far as this fragrance goes, it's strong, it's masculine, it's spicy, and it's woodsy. So if you like that, then this is the fragrance for you. So again, give me the thumbs up if you like the video. I really appreciate it. It helps the channel, and I want the channel to grow. So again, thank you. And until next time, stay cool, stay classy, and keep on killing it. Cheers.